Stop by. I've got a beautiful way of folding napkins. Now I have taken this from, I think it's from Pinterest. I found it, but it's so gorgeous. I've got to let you know about it just in case you're not on Pinterest, because this is beautiful, whether it's for a wedding, whether it's anniversary, or just for Sunday lunch if you just want to make it that little bit better. Now I have bought some pink napkins and they're on their way, but look at that. Out of a napkin you can make yourself a rose that sits on your plate. How beautiful is that? Now I've got my napkin here and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll just bend you over here so you can see what I am doing. So you need quite a large napkin. So I've got one, let's see if I can pull you back a little bit further. I've got one 20 by 20. And what you want to do is you want to fold your napkin in half like so, but it doesn't matter if you leave slightly. This is what the lady said. She's in America, and doesn't matter whether you leave slightly if it wasn't touching at the end, and I'll show you why. So you've folded it in half like so. And then you're going to take this end and you're going to roll it over and over and over. So as you come to the end, you're going to see that that end joins there. So you're going to finish it around there, and then you're going to flip it over like so. And then you're going to take this end here and you're going to roll it in on itself. So you're going to roll and roll. You see what I'm doing? Roll it tight in on itself. Until you get to around about there. As you pick that up, you're going to bring that around and you're going to tuck it in here. Like so. You're then going to split these two over like so. And then, voila, you've got yourself a beautiful rose napkin. Isn't that stunning? I am so impressed with that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That is such a quick tutorial, and of course very, very simple for you to do. Even if there's a lot of people at your wedding, you could have lots of the girls do it just the day before, and then just pack them in boxes to put them out onto the tables. But I absolutely love this, and I'm going to be using this for my Valentine's Day dinner, which we're not having on Valentine's, which doesn't make sense. Anyway, I'd love to have you part of the family. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comments section below. I'll see you tomorrow.